super excited you found my video because it's about work and travel Costa Rica. I'm gonna share several recommended ways to work in Costa Rica. One of them is how I work in Costa Rica. I work 100% online, and of course I'm gonna share into details in steps what exactly it is that I do and how you can duplicate it, because it's no rocket science. But just in a nutshell, why would you listen to me? Well, I live in Costa Rica since 2018. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, this is an open invite. Just click the little icon on the screen, tap the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And my YouTube channel is all about Costa Rica travel, Costa Rica living, and all that is connected to that. Now, I do know that a lot of people are dreaming about staying a longer time in Costa Rica, perhaps even want to live in Costa Rica. Well, then 9 of the 10 people need work in Costa Rica. They need an income. Well, I'm one of them, but I found a way to work and travel Costa Rica, to work for myself. And if you're still guessing, like, should I rely on an Airbnb? Not everyone is able to buy something or to start an Airbnb. And if you want to stay away from the very low paying jobs in Costa Rica, then you want to watch my video. Now, let me just start at the beginning. What is my expertise and what am I doing? Well, overall, and at the end of my video, of course, I'm going to share in details what exactly I do to work in Costa Rica and to earn a great freedom lifestyle income. I am an online coach, and I help people to build and to grow their business online. It could be existing businesses and help them get more exposure online so more strangers find the front door, or it could be helping with starting up a brand new online business. And there are several ways to work online. One, for yourself, so you start your own business like I have, or you work for someone else, or as a freelancer. And let me just cover a couple of ways that I want to highlight in order to work in Costa Rica, so you can also travel Costa Rica, or you can even live in Costa Rica that way. So here's a couple of ways. You can start working as a freelancer. Suppose that you have specific skills like writing, graphic design, perhaps translating, editing, and all that stuff. Yes, you can work as a freelancer, and some pros and cons is that, you know, if you attach yourself to like a telemarket platform such as Upwork or Fiverr, they kind of provide the leads for you. So people go there massively to have someone paid for a specific skill, right? It could be like making a specific trailer, video, editing, writing, all the examples that I mentioned. That's cool. Depending on your skill, you can make like a living there. I know people who do it, but I also know tons of people who do not have like a skill that someone, you know, would find on a platform like that. So let me just continue with mentioning other ways to work in Costa Rica. And that is, you can do consulting work. For example, if you have an expertise about, I don't know, investing or starting up a business, or I don't know, something that you're good at, you can ask people to pay you for consulting. Even how to move to Costa Rica kind of information could be worth it to start a consultant line and to ask people a fee for it. I did it myself actually. When I just moved to Costa Rica, so many people asked me to hop on a call with them because they had more personal questions than I was answering in videos. And I set up a mini consulting line for that. So that was kind of neat. People literally asked me for it and I created it. And that's what I call entrepreneurship. Perhaps this gives you a couple of ideas of stuff that you know about. You can also work for a big company, an international company. I do know several people here who work for a company situated in New York, and they can live here. However, I also do know that most of these companies are not really happy to see their staff really living full-time abroad. Overall, what I've heard is that the the rules are it's not allowed. Yes, they do let you go for a couple of months, but not all year round. So then, or you have to lie or use a VPN to bypass your location, or you know, if a company wants to see the team every week or every other day or every month, you're kind of screwed, because then you need to fly to the location where the company is situated, right? But that is a way to, it's worth mentioning, right? I do know that a lot of families live this way in Costa Rica or travel Costa Rica. However, I think a big con is also when you lose your job, you're screwed also. So I have seen families had to leave Costa Rica for that reason. Without the job, they were lost and they couldn't find good paying work here in Costa Rica. So other people that I do know do teaching. They teach at schools as teachers, but then again, a con is you get paid quite low. You can start your own teaching business, like Spanish teaching. I do have a friend who is a Spanish teacher, and she made so-so income, but didn't know how to keep doing it and keep her customers when she decided to move to Spain. So if you do not know anything about marketing and how to attract strangers for whatever business you have, you're kind of screwed and have to start all over again by talking to people on word of mouth. Some people are very good at it, and some people, their business collapsed that way. So let me just mention the way that I work in Costa Rica. That is for myself, boss-free, as an online entrepreneur, and I have several income streams. One of those benefits of working for yourself in your own company that is situated outside of Costa Rica, here's the key for work permits in Costa Rica. This is 100% allowed. I do not, or you do not need a work permit in order to earn, as long as the company is outside of Costa Rica, which is a very cool way and very motivational, if you ask me, to start a business for yourself. Personally, I am 100% unemployable since I quit my job in 2015 and I replaced it with my online entrepreneur income. Why? Because, you know, I would want to depend on me. I don't want a ceiling in earnings. I want to determine with who I work, where I work, how long I work, if I work from the beach or from my office where I'm sitting right now. So I preach online entrepreneurship and affiliate marketing, especially if you do not have a specific skill or a specific product that is yours. I would start, and this is how I started 10 years ago, with online high-ticket affiliate marketing. And here's the key. What's the pro of that? Well, you don't need inventory. You can earn not depending on trading time for money and work specific hours for specific earning. No, you earn based on the sales that you make and the commission that is locked in the agreement that you made with specific companies. Now, I am a big fan of e-learning affiliate products because what people do love to invest in is high quality education. So although I have my own coaching business in order to teach people from all over the world how to start and grow their business online, I also am an affiliate marketer, and this is like an open door if you're brand new and you want to you want to be in Costa Rica, you want to work and travel Costa Rica without relying on a job or, you know, telework jobs like call center or being paid little fees on Fiverr and Upwork as a freelancer, and you want to avoid earning the local paychecks, which are kind of low. Be an online entrepreneur and follow in my footsteps. It's just, if I would know this, if this would be possible when I was like in the travel age, and I am 50 plus, I do have a family, I make a solid income, I work from home, but I am officially a digital nomad because this type of work in Costa Rica, you can do anywhere in the world. So even if you're finding this video and you want to live in New Zealand, you can apply this tip. start an online business for yourself as online entrepreneur and focus on high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, what is that? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money when you sell a product through a link that a company provides you and is helping them to get more clients, but because you literally enroll new clients, they reward you with a commission. Now, overall, Amazon pays like low commissions, and for example, if you refer someone to read a book or you know, on books, for example, and they would pay you like 5%, you earn a couple of cents on a book, right? So it's not really my field of interest to be an affiliate marketer of only Amazon. I focus on the high quality products, and the work is the same. The art is to be found online, and this is the key. If you know how strangers can find you online by using social media such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even Pinterest and other platforms, and you know how to show people the way with some simple steps, it's called a sales funnel, entering your email list, then you have an open door to connect with strangers all over the world, because fact is, probably you never met me, but you still found this video. Now, if you connect this strategy by connecting with strangers using, for example, a video platform such as YouTube, that's keyword related because you were searching for information about work and travel Costa Rica, right? Now, if you connect this to high ticket affiliate marketing, you have your own online business. And of course, there are some things that's important as well, but for this video, this is my core message. If you feel more attracted to freelancing and working for a company, of course, do it. It's of course your choice, and this is an informational video. But of course, I love to tell you how excited I felt that I could tell my boss when I still was a social worker back in the Netherlands, I am not coming back after my burnout because I built my own online business. And when my boss asked me, well, what is it that you do? I said, proud, I'm an online entrepreneur. I have several income streams, and that's what you can learn as well. Now, if you want to learn more about the program that I would recommend you, or if you want to learn more about my programs, be my guest. Go to the description down below, click the first link, or scroll further if you want to connect with me in person. There are several ways to learn how to set up a business like mine. And it's fun. It's really fun. It is based on teaching people something, helping people with something. So it's always beneficial. It's always a win-win. Affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar business. And there's always, for a specific group of people, a product or several products that will help them solve their problems. And if you can connect this group that you determine to talk to focus on when you're making social media content, and you have solutions for that group's problems or the ways to fulfill their dreams, and you connect that, they are very likely to buy those products from you with your affiliate link, and there's where the money is coming from. So yeah, you need to build up follow. Yes, you need to lead, and you need to stand out of the crowd, but I see so many people making videos anyway, but not having it monetized. So basically they do it as a hobby and they're not making a solid income, or they do videos and they have some kind of web shop, but they leave piles of money on the table because they never heard about building up an email list using a funnel, a pipeline online. It's showing people the way so you can make sales when you sleep. And dear people, this is what I do. You should think like this. If you know how to make videos that can help people, and there is a link below your video connected that leads to something that is helpful for someone, and they decide to buy something from you because it serves them, that it could be like this, that you wake up and you check your phone and you see a notification that you sold something. And that's possible in my way of building a business online. And this is perfect if you want to work and travel in Costa Rica or elsewhere in the world. But if you are clueless on how to start, don't panic. There is a step-by-step plan. Just be curious, go to the description down below my video and check out my other videos, and I'm happy to assist you if you have any questions. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.